So this is all the carpet that we just ripped out. Forgot to do a walkthrough beforehand. Not a bad little mobile home. So we just started priming all of this wallpaper so that we can paint over it. And this place is a mess. All the bedrooms had carpet we ripped out. A few sheetrock patches. Door missing here. I don't know what is going on with my camera today. Nice little bathroom, walk-in closet back there. Yes, it's a pretty old mobile home. So we're gonna prime it and then paint it. Leave the old wallpaper there without trying to remove all this. Floors are in good shape. This is a little strange. Bolts, dead bolts on the outside of the door. Pretty sure they were locking their kids in here. This other small bedroom, another lock. So these fixtures are already swapped out. Got some trim to patch up. This will be vinyl plank flooring in here. Yeah, and that's it. Alright, so this one we tore out the carpets, primed the wallpaper, and then just painted over it. Painted the ceilings, new light fixtures, a little basic. A little more cleanup to do in here. Get the carpets put in and be ready to rent it out. So these places are very low budget renovations. Just a quick in and out, basically a make ready. Painted all the doors, trim. Put new blinds on, and all the same light fixtures. Just real basic, repair all the walls, drywall, any water damage, anything like that. Yeah, that's what, well, almost what the finished product will look like. Get better. Yeah, it's not a bad space. About 940 square foot, 3-bedroom. So, cabinets painted, countertops resurfaced. I put some new carpet in. Flooring's looking good. So laminate.